So you might be trying to figure out if you can actually install an iPhone IPA file on your Android device. Now, what is an IPA file? Well, an IPA file is basically an iPhone file that is basically, you can execute it on an iPhone. So if you go through inside of like your, Google Play Store or somewhere like that, all these applications are downloaded via an APK file. So can you actually go through and install an iPhone IPA file on your Android device? And the short answer of that is no. There's no way to actually go through and install an IPA file on an Android device natively. Now, you might be able to go through and potentially do something where you might be able to go through and get an emulator on your Android phone that can maybe execute an IPA file. It basically means like you download a iPhone emulator or some emulator that you can emulate an iPhone on it, and then you do the IPA file through that. But that takes so much time and so much effort that it usually just doesn't take too much time. Like, it doesn't make that much sense. You might as well just go buy another iPhone and just run an IPA file on there. So that's kind of how I would describe it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.